This is the battery pack for the cold fireworks function. You also can use this battery pack for the other stage light. And you can see there are 4 holes for the machine rubber feet, double handler. And you can see here is the power switch. This is the power switch. And you turn on, fuse, power in, power out. And this is the socket for power out to the machine. You can see to the machine. This cable. And this is the voltage, output voltage. The maximum 750 volts. And this is the single voltage. This is the single one. This is the output. And this cable is charging the battery pack. You connect and switch. Then you can charge the battery. This is the output. This is the output. And this battery have 1, 2, 3, 4 cooling fan. It can offer the power to the cold fireworks machine.